Model, 2004 Ford Transit Connect 1.8 Tdci 230L long wheelbase, full MOT, drives great. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 128,112. MOT, 3rd of January 2026. Engine, 1753 cc 1.8D. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Gearbox changes gear well and pulls in all gears. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.